Hello everyone, this is me back again with some more updates on the Interceptor. So it's been more than a year since I have the Interceptor now, and the bike has been performing well on city roads as well as on highway roads. I have taken the bike on a couple of long rides, and on highways the bike is very smooth. It can easily reach 140 150 kilometers per hour. All that is fine, but I have been observing one minor issue with the bike, that is the odometer on the bike, or the meter which registers the number of kilometers the bike has done. I believe it's not very accurate. I believe it's a little fishy. So today I'm gonna test my theory that the odometer does not record the kilometers properly. So I am in Cochin here. So I will be traveling from Cochin to Bangalore, and a friend of mine on a Ninja will be traveling along with me, and we will be comparing the kilometers both our bike's odometers record, and we'll see if there is something fishy with that. So to start off this, we will first check the distance between Cochin and Bangalore on Google Maps. So we'll first do that. So as we can see here, the distance between Bangalore and Cochin as per Google is around 550 kilometers. So we'll keep that in mind once we start doing this small experiment. So right now we are in beautiful Cochin, as we can see around. So this is Cochin. We'll just have a look around just to make sure that we are in Cochin. You can see the cars over here, and we are going to start our ride now. So before starting our ride, we'll have a look at the odometers, how many kilometers they have currently. Let's have a look at the Interceptor. The Interceptor has 7,100 kilometers as of now. And let's have a look at my friend's Ninja's odometer. So the Ninja reads 3,479. So that's the Ninja, and this is the Interceptor, 7,100 kilometers as of now. And we are starting our ride towards Bangalore now, and we'll compare the odometers once we reach Bangalore. So let ride begin. Okay, we are in Bangalore. We just reached Bangalore, and let's compare the odometers. We'll have a look at the Interceptor's odometer first. It reads 7,529 kilometers, and the Ninja reads 3,990. Let me take a closer look at the Ninja's odometer. It reads 3,990 kilometers, and the Interceptor reads 7,529 kilometers. It's analysis time. Let's do a quick analysis of the total distance that has been covered by both the bikes. But before that, let's have a look at what Google says is the distance between Cochin and Bangalore. So Google calculates the distance between two cities by taking into consideration the heart of the city. So as per Google, the distance between the heart of Cochin, that's the center of Cochin, to the center of Bangalore is 550 kilometers, right? But we started our ride from the outskirts of Cochin, and we ended our ride on the outskirts of Bangalore. So when we started our ride from Cochin, we measured the odometer. We had a look at the readings on the odometer for the Ninja, and it was 3,479. And once we ended our ride in Bangalore, we measured we looked at the odometer of the Ninja, which read 3,990. So as per the Ninja, we have traveled 511 kilometers. So which is very similar to what Google tells us. So which leads us to believe that the odometer on the Ninja is working fine. Now let's come and look at the odometer for the Interceptor. So when we started our ride from Cochin, we looked at the odometer of the Interceptor, and it read 7,100 kilometers. And once we ended our ride in Bangalore, we again checked the odometer. It was 7,529 kilometers. So as per the Interceptor, as per the odometer on the Interceptor, we have done only 429 kilometers. That's almost 100 kilometers less than what the Ninja has recorded. Which means for every 100 kilometers that the Interceptor travels, it removes 10 kilometers, or it fails to register 10 kilometers from it. That means 10% of the total distance that is covered on the Interceptor is missed by the odometer. That means if a bike has done 100,000 kilometers or 1 lakh kilometers, that means it's actually done more than that. right? If it registers, if you travel 100,000 kilometers, it will register only 90,000 kilometers. That means 10% of the total distance is skipped by the interceptor. So that's good for the owners, because it's the mileage on the vehicle is going to be less if you have to resell the vehicle. But this is something which we have to take into consideration if you are going out and buying an interceptor. So I'm not sure if this issue is seen only across my interceptor, or every interceptor has the same problem. So if any of the viewers of this video are interceptor owners, please take your interceptor out and have a good look at the odometer and just check if it is recording the right number of kilometers, right? And if you do have the same issue, please take it to the service station. I'm doing the same for my vehicle. I'll be taking it to the service station and seeing why this is happening, right? And I'll keep you updated on the same. So if you guys find this video informative, as usual, give me a thumbs up, or write down comments if you have like to see some more additional steps on the video. Thank you.